Today's the day that we get the brand new exhaust on the Chevy, the RMT, so we're gonna possibly do dual exhaust. We don't know what I'm gonna do yet, but that's the thing. Just had it freshly detailed. Had a professional detailer detail the whole truck. It had a couple scratches on it and he ended up getting rid of them. So that's the plan today. So I'll update you guys whenever we do the sound of the exhaust when we get done. This is what it sounds like before or after the muffler that we're going to put on. Okay, Jason? Okay, again? Okay, let's go get the exhaust. Okay, here's the exhaust. It's all done. Hit it, Jason. Hit it again. Again. Okay, as you see, the exhaust is all done. Dual exhaust.